Hi, I'm Merle Westford, president of Zant Technologies. We are a development workshop and digital ad agency, and we use SmartSuite to help us manage our entire business at a glance. The nature of our business is a little bit all over the place. We have a family of companies. So we have our creative data is our marketing and ad agency. Zant Technologies is our development workshop, and Biz Boards is a digital signage company. Westford acts as our parent company. And so this is a perfect situation for SmartSuite. Westford here in the solution acts as the router for all the other information, and we keep all the data for our clients, contacts, finances, HR, and sales all in one place here, accessible from each of our other companies. So let's go ahead and just dive right in. So we'll go ahead and get started with our universal solutions. That will be documentation, human resources, finance, facilities, and sales. Documentation is very straightforward. We have our standard operating procedures here, sorted by department currently. Of course, there's also a card view, several different views we can use here in SmartSuite to get at this data. Each of these has our SOP, the status of that SOP, what companies it's related to, the department within each company, and then for some owners who are in charge of making sure that that SOP is running efficiently and effectively. Here we also have our marketing documentation for all of our relevant PDFs that we would send out to potential customers. Back to the main solution. Our finance solution is pretty straightforward as well. Right now we have tasks and expenses. That way we can go through and approve or disapprove any relevant expense categories. In facilities, we keep track of all the fixtures in our office. So this includes computers, monitors, 3D printers, docks, anything that our company uses at the office, we have cataloged here in one simple place, and a list of office supplies that generally need to be purchased over and over again, which leads into our procurement. Procurement leads to the finance solution, and everything is routed through our finance department in that way. The last of the more universal solutions is our sales solution and human resources. Sales has a task board, a new leads area with an interest form. That way we can direct people to this link and they can qualify themselves. Once a lead is qualified, it enters our pipeline where we keep track of each individual account as their companies and their contacts. Then we have our services and another link to our sales materials. Back in human resources, again, we have a task board, but this is also our employee directory, our invite list for any in-person events we might have, our departments, job descriptions at different levels, positions, which we are not using right now as we are not hiring, applicants, which holds previous data, any notes for interviews, all of our dismissed employees, and of course, tracking hours. Now on to the larger apps. We have Creative Data, which is our marketing company. Here we have our general task boards displayed as a dashboard for our employees' ease of work, keeping their open tasks and time entry. We have our social media questionnaire form to help onboard new clients. We have video ideas in a list here, the list of sites we service. Again, another sub-view with the clients specifically located in the marketing department rather than the other parts of the company. A link back to our marketing materials, expense requests, and any vendor partners that we have that are white labeled. All right, and the last two company solutions are going to be Zant and Biz Boards. Zant is our development workshop. Here we have our work task board, again, a link to procurement. The work assignments, so each developer and what project they are working on. The clients for those projects, those employees that are assigned. The projects themselves with links to the accounts and clients. The timesheets based on what service was provided during that time. And of course, the universal timesheets, including our time entry, get times, and hours by dev this month. Biz Boards, of course, is our digital signage solution. So a customer will sign up for having a digital billboard in their office, and we will go out and install that box. So we have our universal dashboard that gives us an at-a-glance view of the solution, our operations task board, the open service requests by individual, our active clients list, and of course our cold intake form in grid view, along with inventory of what boxes we still have on hand. And last but not least is our parent company solution, Westford. Within this, we have our task boards. We also track any open contracts with our clients, company paperwork, so the setup paperwork and articles of incorporation and other similar documentation. Our employment agreements live here, as well as information about our insurance policies. And we're working on getting legal templates set up through the document designer to automate our employee onboarding process even further.